Hello, this is my testimony for Liberty Aid Academy. My name is Soledad. Today is February 27th, 2025, and I am in Southern Arizona. I bought the McCaig Mastery Trust Bundle, and my husband and I have put in place our first name, last name trusts, one for each of us, and we opened a bank account. Financial problem that we had that brought us to Liberty Aid Academy was crushing credit card debt and a looming tax bill. And we finally came to a point where we were thinking we have to declare bankruptcy. That was our only option. I'm searching for a solution. I found Liberty Aid Academy. But there are so many scams out there. I wasn't sure that this was for real. And another person who pointed me to Liberty Aid Academy was Martin Goman at Bulletproof Retirement, and he assured me that this John McCaig's process was the way to go. And so we did. The minute the payment went through, just this weight fell off my shoulders. I felt God's blessings just washing over me, and I knew immediately that we had made the right decision. So I went through the trust course, and then I also quickly looked at the debt forgiveness. That's another course in the bundle, and I went through that, and I'm so looking forward to starting that to clear our credit card debt. So, yes, don't hesitate. You're in the right place. God bless you. God bless John McCaig and his team, and Martin Goman, and everyone who put up testimonials that encouraged me to go ahead and invest in this trust bundle. And it's been wonderful. Thank you so much. This is my declaration of trust. And that's the signature page with the notary. That's the EIN number. And this is a certification of trust that we needed for the bank to open the bank account. And that's the notary for that.